In silence, even legends can be forgotten, until someone dares to bring them back. Up close, even perfection shows its scars, every mark waiting to be erased.
The first touch brings the spell, proof that it's real. Even the doors hesitate, as if remembering how long they've been asleep. Inside, time didn't just stop, it settled. Even the seat remembers. Every year it waited.
Unused, forgotten.
Left alone, even legends fade into the background.
This is the moment it starts, when dust finally lets go.
Slowly, the surface remembers what it used to be.
Layer by layer, the past is being washed away.
Clean, but not healed. Not yet. Not yet.
Not restored, but finally awake.
This seat once held a dream. Now it rests. Stripped to its truth, now the real work can begin.
Not tight, perfect.
This is what everything was built around.
Before it can breathe again, it must be understood.
Nothing hidden, nothing rushed, just precision.
Every piece back where it belongs. That sound means it's ready. Clean, complete, alive again.
From above or below, nothing was overlooked.
Even the parts meant to hide it had stories to tell.
Even the air it shapes must pass clean.
Heat fades, care remains.
Quiet strength restored beneath it all.
Protected now, for every mile still to come.
Every inch inspected, every detail finished.
You can't see perfection, you feel it.
Preparation is where perfection starts.
This is the blank page before color returns.
Some moments can't be rushed. Even perfection needs time. Refinement is knowing when less is enough.
Now, it's ready for what comes next.
This color is history returning.
Every particle finding its place.
Depth returns, layer by layer.
Now, it's whole again.
This is where it comes alive.
Hold this moment before it sets forever.
Now, we wait. Perfection is setting.
Every line exactly where it should be.
Nothing hidden. Nothing unfinished. Just legend.
This is where it truly shines.
When reflections sharpen, you know it's finished.
Clear again, just like it was meant to be. Every piece exactly where it belongs.
Smooth, exactly as it was designed.
The cockpit, alive again. Soft, glowing, eternal.
Restored in silence. The Holy Grail feels unreal.